Another fine vehicle offered by Blossom Chevrolet.
This is a 2005 Chevrolet Silverado. Strong, durable, and dependable. It has a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine, a 4-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, dusk sensing headlights, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, and this vehicle has fewer than 66,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Blossom Chevrolet is located at 1800 North Shadeland Avenue in Indianapolis. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.